I think the answer might be to take the automation stacks that are AI and have them be dual purpose education stacks as well. So it's almost like you're doing peer testing with the AI. So the AI is like, hey, look, I found this. Here's how I'm going to investigate it. Do you want to investigate this with me? And we could talk through it. And the junior person is like, yeah, sure, let's do that. And then the AI proceeds and it goes to a certain point and says, hey, okay, I found this. Did you find this? And what's really cool about that is there is not very much of that in the real world. When there is that, it's really, really good. Like when you have a senior person there to teach you how to do things, it's great. But AI, I believe, once it's able to do this, is going to be able to scale much better. It's infinitely patient. It doesn't care if you keep asking more and more questions. Yeah, but why? Yeah, but why? And it also knows everything about everything in cybersecurity, right? So it could go as wide or deep as necessary to answer that junior person's question. So ideally, we wouldn't be breaking this chain, which is what I'm really worried about, is like, if you don't have any more juniors, well, that means in 5 years, you're not going to have any mid-level. And, after some point, you're not going to have any senior people. So we have to keep that pipeline intact. So I think we need to supplement what we have on the human side with AI education.